All right, question number 8, page 90. It says for each, this is A, I'm going to do A. It says for each pair of numbers, write two expressions to represent the distance between the numbers on a number line. Then determine the distance. Easiest way to do this is just through subtraction. We have negative 2 3/4 minus 5 1/4. That's going to give me a negative number, and I want a positive number, so I just throw the absolute value symbols around it and to go. Now to continue with the math, convert these into improper fractions just to make it a bit easier. So that will be 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11, so it's negative 11 over 4, minus 4 times 5 is 20, plus 1 is 21 over 4. 11 minus 21 is going to be negative 31. So that equals negative 31 over 4. We can lose those absolute value signs to make it positive, and I can also change this to a mixed fraction. 4 goes into 31 7 times. 3 is left over. That's your final answer. Now, it says do it, how does it say? Write two expressions. Well, just switch them around. Doesn't matter. So I could have 5 1/4 minus negative 2 3/4. Those negatives cancel, and I promise you it works out the exact same way. I just realized I didn't have to combine the fractions. We could combine the numbers here. Let's do this one. So it's 5 1/4 plus 2 3/4. 5 and 2 is 7. 1 and 3 is 4. Did I do something wrong here? So that would be 4 over 4, which equals 8. 11. Oh, 11 minus 21 is 32. There we go. There we go. So the two different ways you do it still works out. Hopefully that makes sense.